Welcome to day 20, Stodola Pumpa, 30 Days of Band. I'm going to play the melody and then the harmony the second time. I'll give 2 counts and then there'll be 2 counts of silence before you come in. This is very upbeat and the rhythm is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and the rhythm is very repetitive, but the notes change. Here we go. 1, 2. And now for the oompa harmony. 1, 2. You might have noticed 2 things. For one, this trumpet, for some reason, this slide pops out, and I caught it right before I played the D. If your D is really out of tune, it could have to do with this slide. And the second thing is there is a B flat in the key signature. B natural, B flat. Thanks for playing with me. If this video helped you or you played along with it, as the boys say, hit the accent button.